Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to unsend an email on the Gmail app on your mobile device. First, open the Gmail app and compose an email. If you send something and it's wrong, just click cancel or undo within a few seconds. This is the only way to recall the email. You cannot do it after an hour. To avoid this situation, open Settings via the three-line icon, go to General Settings, scroll down, and tap on Confirm before sending. Now when you try to send an email, you'll have to confirm it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.